he's getting divorced, Mr. Freeman. Cabanga. Like, into engiyibuza yona ukuthi if I was him, bengizokwenza njani? Yo, I'm going to tell you a story. The truth shall set you free. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, Mr. Freeman met a beautiful lady, Elizabeth. Understand ukuthi Freeman washela, waqonywa, and instantly baba relationship. They were in a relationship for years, and Freeman was so in love with this girl until he finally decided ukuthi nope, ngiyayishada le ntombazane. They got married, a mixed couple, kwakuhle. Yo, they were so happy. Once they got married, Freeman started hustling so hard until finally he could afford a house. And then he hustled even more, wathenga imoto yokuqala, imoto yesibili, 2 cars, 1 house. I mean, the guy worked hard to build the paradise for yena no wife wakhe. One day, on a regular day nje, they were sitting down watching TV like normal. It was an average day nje, nothing was going on. Bebeyihlalele watching their favorite soapy. So apparently, whilst they are watching TV, 3 anonymous friends decided ukuthi they are going to jump over the fence and run beyesicabheni the door. The friends were wearing a mask, hiding their faces. They decided ukuthi they are going to kick the door open. Once the door was open, 2 of the friends decided to run beya ku Mr. and Mrs. Freeman, but keeping zokuqhweba, and told Mr. and Mrs. Freeman to get down on their knees baguqe and pray. Konke lokho is happening in the dining room. One of the other friends decided ukuthi he's gonna run around the house, putting everything esikhwameni sakhe, lokhu efaka, right? When they were done collecting everything in the house for safekeeping, one of the friends did something. 2 of the friends had induku zokuqhweba pointed at Mr. and Mrs. Freeman, and then one of the friends decided ukuthi uzokhipha esakhe and give it to Mr. Freeman. Understand ukuthi they gave him an option. Kwathiwa, dubula umfazi wakho, dubula Elizabeth, or thina sizodubula wena. And then Mr. Freeman, listen to me, yes. Mr. Freeman decided ukuthi yena ngeke akwazi ukuthi adubule. He looked at umfazi wakhe, he felt sad, kwathi akakhale, and then he decided ukuthi nope, angeke akwazi ukuyenza lento abayishoyo, sengamanye bashaye yena. And then the guy took induku yokuqhweba from Freeman and gave it to Elizabeth. Same thing, Elizabeth, dubula uhusband or sidubula wena, and if unqaba sindubula no 2. So Elizabeth started crying, she started shaking, and then she did something very interesting. She pointed his palm to Mr. Freeman and pulled the trigger, hayi kanye, hayi kabili, more than 8 times. Yes. Unfortunately, or fortunately, his palm besingenalo lutho, it wasn't loaded, empty. Yes. After that, the guy took his palm from Elizabeth, wasphinisela la ekade ehleli khona, then they left. Like I said, he's getting divorced. The house had cameras outside and inside, and they can clearly show Mr. Freeman not pulling the trigger, and they clearly show Elizabeth pulling the trigger, not once, not twice, kawu 8.